everyone, this is me Satya here, and I'm doing your third week of March reading start from the 15th through the 21st of March 2021. This is going to be for the sign of Aquarius. Let's see what is coming up for you guys for this week time. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading, but no charms will be added, so stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. Always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. With the Seven of Wands that I could see, it seems like, whatever that is going on in your life, just know one thing. It's preparing you for something that you have asked for. I don't know whatever it is that is going on in your life. Maybe it's bad, maybe it's good, maybe it's something okay that you are like kind of getting used to it. But this is not the ultimate thing. You are being prepared to have what you have asked for. So just relax. If something else, let it be, because that's a process of how you will get what you wanted. So just take it how it comes and be strong in your faith around whatever you have asked for will come true. So yeah, Aquarians, let's see what's up with you for this week time. Justice will be served. Now, whatever the current circumstances are that you're having right now in your life, again, I feel like the universe is definitely going to do justice to you. Now what you need to do is to do justice to yourself in the current situation. Whatever you feel like going for, whatever it is that you feel like finding balance in, go take that decision with clarity coming from within. Follow your intuition, follow your gut. The universe will do justice to you. Whatever steps that you want to take, go ahead with it. Now, for some of you, you might feel like a pull towards doing something in your life regarding a situation, regarding a person, regarding a relationship. Follow your heart, follow your gut. Justice will be done to you if and only if you do justice to yourself. So make sure you are being very just to yourself as well. Let's see more cards here. Knight of Swords, the Star, King of Pentacles, Eight of Wands. For some of you, I feel like there are certain things that you know that you are not doing right here. Maybe you need to change your attitude towards those things. Hold on. Maybe there are some people that you are listening to. Maybe you need to stop listening to them. Maybe there are situations that you really need to stop giving your attention to and focus on the other areas of your life. There could be some sort of influence coming from the people around your situation as well, especially if it applies to a situation which involves legal matters as well. Maybe if you are dealing with a situation in your marriage, maybe there are people influencing your marriage here, and they are definitely creating some stressful things in your life and your connection with a specific someone. For others of you, it can be exactly the opposite. Maybe you are stressful around your situation in your love life, work life situation, whatever it is. There are some people, they can be good people, they can be bad people. It's going to be different for different people. But yes, I do see that only you have to make a decision here. Who is good for you, who is bad for you, you have to decide for yourself. Listen to your intuition around it. Don't let another person tell you, don't talk to this person because they are bad and bad. Now it's very important for you to listen to the inner guidance, listen to the inner inner guidance, inner voice that you could hear. I do see that for some of you, you are going to be in a situation, you will have to do justice to a situation, to a group of people. In that situation, you have to be very clear. Maybe you have to go against the one that you want, maybe you have to go against the one that you love, but you have to do justice in that situation. Only then you will get through this troublesome phase of your life. For some of you, maybe if you are doing justice to yourself, the person that you are dealing with will also do justice to you in the situation. I do see somebody has to make a decision around I don't know what it will be. Will it be a situation in the house, in the home, or will it be a situation in the work front? But yes, I do see some sort of a conflict happening for you in your life, which will involve three people. One will have to decide for the other two who is right, who is wrong. So it can be you, it can be your husband, it can be your wife. It can be like a situation where maybe your family is going against your relationship. Maybe you both have to decide they have to decide about your connection. Maybe you have to decide whether to choose your family or your love life. It's going to be like, something around those lines. But whatever you're going to choose, listening to your inner calling will guide you through. Maybe for some of you, the current situation might seem very troublesome for you to deal with. Go with a positivity around it. Know that something good is going to come out of the situation, and think very positive around it, so you will be guided through the right path. I do see abundance coming up for you, so I do feel that you will be taking the right decision. Whatever that is happening, just go with the flow and take the decision whenever it is needed. Underneath the deck, you do have the Queen of Wands. For some of you right now, maybe the situation might seem like things are slipping away, things are going out of control. Just go with the flow. Don't stress yourself around it, because I feel like whatever that's going to happen, whatever decision, whether wrong or right, whatever you will make, the decision about that will, like, maybe you feel like if you are being the if they do justice to you, only then you will get what you want. Trust me, even if they don't do justice to you, you will still get through this tough phase of your life, because I do see the universe will be supporting you in each and every way. Maybe you cannot see that, even if the verdict goes against you, still you will win the case in the final outcome. Hold on. So yeah, I do see you winning the whole thing up at the final, situation. Everything is going to work out well for you in the long run. Let's see the oracle cards now. Let's see what else is coming up for you for this week time. It's not going to be an easy time, to be very honest, but yes, just stay positive. You do have grief coming up. Like I said, whatever hold on. For some of you, maybe you will have to make a decision which is tough for you, but again, it's going to be, it's going to be bringing you happiness later on. So just go with the flow. Don't overthink around the scenarios right now. Let's see more cards here. My faith in the power to turn trauma into healing, conflict into growth, and fear into love. My faith has the power to turn trauma into healing, conflict into growth, and fear into love. So you have to go with that firm belief. Whatever that is happening, it's going to go well for you if you start believing so. Let's see more cards here. You deserve love. You are lovable. Eventually, you will be getting love because you are worthy of love. You deserve love. So don't hold yourself back from any decision. If you have to make a decision, go with the positive mindset. Might be the case that initially it's going to sadden you. Initially it's going to make you feel bad. Maybe especially if the verdict, if the situation goes against you, eventually you will get the justice. If like for instance, let me give you an example. If something happens in the work front, and maybe you are being people say that you are the one at fault. Now let that be the case, but maybe in a day or two times they will get to know that it wasn't your fault. So it's eventually gonna raise you up from that position of being the one who spoiled things up. It's gonna make them realize they made a mistake, and they definitely gonna do something better to make up for it. So that's gonna be the situation. That's gonna be the thing happening. Be that in love or work life, whatever or whoever is going to go against you, that thing which is going to go against you initially will be the thing which is going to take you closer to what you have asked for, because eventually you are going to get appreciated, loved. People are going to understand that they made a mistake by doing so, and they will come to you and offer you something better than what they were offering you earlier. So let's see the last set of cards here. Let's see what they have to add to the reading. Rest and relaxation is essential. We all have a fundamental need to take a break. Whatever happens, let it happen. If you need to pull yourself out of the situation, do that if that's necessary. But eventually, you will get whatever you want. So you just need to relax. You don't need to, take it so heavily on yourself. Like, whatever happens, let it happen. Eventually, you will get what you want. So you have nothing to lose. You have nothing to worry around. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this week time. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.